Hello, so I am back with another video, and this time we will focus it on Disney STEM though. So still relating to Disney, but with a little bit of a STEM science project to it. So I thought I'd focus it on food science, because obviously that's also science. So in this video, I will show you guys how to make butter. So I know it's actually very easy to do, which was when I was looking up online, it was very easy. So we will be doing that. So here's what you'll need. So what you'll need is either heavy whipping cream or heavy cream, it doesn't matter, either one's fine. A mason jar or any other type of container that holds liquid, you just need to make sure it's capped because you're gonna be shaking it. So yeah, you need anything. A water bottle is just fine as well. A spoon just to spread your butter. This doesn't matter what kind, it doesn't have to be plastic, it could be glass as well. You just need to, because you're gonna have leftover liquid, and you'll see that in a few moments, but you just need something to put it in. Of course, a plate with some toast. You can either toast it or not, that's your preference, or the brand is your preference as well. But you just need 2 pieces or 1 piece of toast, bread. And lastly, you will need to pick out your favorite Disney movies so you can enjoy the toasted bread with. I picked these 2, so that's what I will be seeing once I finish this. Okay, so I should tell you guys too a little bit more information. If the whipping cream or the heavy cream is cold, it could take longer, like 13-16 minutes when you're shaking it. But if it's room temperature, if you like leave it outside for a few moments, the heavy cream, it should take around 5 to 6 minutes. So it really depends also on the type of temperature it already is. Another thing is that you should probably eat it within 2 days, just in case, because it's not really, you're making it a day or 2, you should not let it go past that. And also what else, yeah, so let's get started actually. So here you go. You're gonna open your little mason jar or your little water bottle. You're gonna get your cream, and 1 cup should be sufficient. Be careful. Also, I would suggest have an adult help you as well, so I would suggest that too. So this is 1, we're gonna go with the middle of this. Let's do this. Always with any type of, especially with baking actually, always be specific, always be add the proper ingredients, because with baking it's like a whole chemistry in itself, and you really do need the right amount of ingredients. That's just a little tip. So, and then you just close this. Make sure you're really close, you don't want anything dropping or anything. And yeah, this here, and all you have to do basically is just first test it out, make sure nothing's open. So yeah, I don't think anything's, let's test it. Okay, we should be fine. It's properly closed. Make sure you do this in the kitchen as well, near a sink or something, just in case. And yeah, so all you have to do is just shake it. Mine's a little bit cold, so it might take me longer, but this is basically what the project is. You shaking the cream, that's all you have to do. Make sure when you're shaking this to look out that it's getting thicker, so you can hear the sloshing of the liquid. Make sure when you know it's close to being ready, it just turns solid basically, and then you will have like some leftover buttermilk to it. That's where you will get your little cup and put the rest. But for the most part, the whole thing should start turning solid, and that's pretty much all we have to do. So I'll get right back in a few moments to see what the progress is. 5 to 6 minutes have passed, and as you can see, you can't hear much sloshing, like the liquid being moved. You can't really hear much. That means it is working. You guys can see it has been 2-3 more minutes. you can see that there is clearly no more liquid. I'm gonna give it a few more shakes, but you can clearly see there is definitely butter there. I don't see any buttermilk though, so okay, yeah, a little buttermilk. I'm gonna keep on shaking it. And as you guys can see, after 20 minutes, around 20 minutes, I was actually able to make butter. So you can see, try not to let it fall here, but that is basically butter right here. It was actually a lot too, so, well, you guys can't see this. I'll put some pictures on that. But yeah, it actually works. I made butter. And I can now enjoy this with some bread, which I already put butter on it. It actually tastes like butter, so you might want to add like a just tiny bit of salt, but I mean in itself it's pretty great. So I hope you guys do get to do this project, the science project, because honestly it's actually really fun and the ingredients are like, there's not many. And I will get to enjoy my bread, my butter toasted bread with some movies. So you guys can do this at home as well, especially when you have time over the weekend maybe. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this project, and yeah, bye.